It's September. Welcome. My name is Rose. I'm an artist and creator. And this is my hayret. A safe space for creatives, neurodivergent folk, adventurous quest seekers and daydreamers, tree huggers, and anyone else needing a safe place to call home. You're welcome here, and I am so happy to see you. I really want to get more into landscape painting. I have always romanticized the way landscape painters work. It is challenging working exposed to the elements. This is also one of the reasons I love the idea so much. To develop good craftsmanship on location, where the unexpected things make such a huge impact on the outcome. Creating is where I find relief. My mind stops, just for the time being, and all encompassed with a creative endeavor at hand. Capturing the memory of nature right before the memory slips away. The past months I've been adjusting, settling into a new cottage, investing time in ideas that in time will lead to great adventures, in trying my best to finish projects. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Nick. This was really not what I was going for or hoping for. This process has really tested my patience. I have invested in a professional, really beautiful printer paper, and I have bought this 24 karat real gold. My dream and my goal is to sell limited edition, low numbered fine art prints with hand finished details. I started this, or I wanted to start this during the pandemic, and I had so much trouble finding a professional printer place that could do it. So after a lot of work, I figured that the best way for me was to invest in my own printer, and then I got the printer, and then I had to kind of go through this process of learning how to set that up. And it's costly and it's such a long process, but I know in the end that's what's best for me, to be able to have all those details myself, because I'm so detail oriented and it's very important for me to get it right. And the highest quality I can get it. And when I have sorted all that out, then I figure that there's a very specific certain laws in Norway that is very boxy. So then suddenly I have to kind of rethink a bit and figure out how I can do stuff. I really struggled to find glue to my gold leafing because I couldn't get it to work. And now when I finally found the glue, the paper rips. This painting is inspired by an incredible woman. Her name is Abby, and she's an entrepreneur. She's a creative. She creates incredible videos on YouTube. But I knew her before she started her channel. She's a part of the historical costume community, which I'm definitely a part of, but I think I'm a little bit more of a quiet part of. But this painting is inspired by her. I really want to make that a good piece for myself, for her. And I'm not there yet. I'm certainly not there yet. And I can't wait for her to get one that is just meant for her, you know? And I can't send her a piece. That's just not possible. It's part of the process. 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 Yeah. Nope. Challenge accepted. My mind works in pictures. I'm a visual thinker. It jumps between memories stored as moving pictures. I can revisit in great detail, finding connections where many see none. I love that about my brain. It is also the reason I need the stillness. In observing nature through painting, so I can enjoy that much needed silence. Herlighet som det klør. Jeg klør og klør, og myggen den spiste meg opp. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Jeg heter Ole Bro, en liten bjørn i skogen. Tra-la-la-la-la. Jeg heter Ole Bro. Thank you for spending this time with me. Until we meet again, let the fairy tale begin. Love and light.